Okay folks, I'm back on the fuel pump from Amazon. And as you can see, I had to pop it back off because there's no paperwork that came in the box about the wiring diagram. So I had to pull the pump back out and see what wires were going to the pump versus the sender. And I found out these are hot and black or hot and ground for the pump. This white wire is going to the sender, looped around. You actually see it on the sender. The blue wire goes inside somewhere. You can't see it. So, and if, of course, it's different colors from one end to the next of the new plug. And by the old plug, you got your, I had to pull it around. Your black is ground, as you can see on the old pump, red and black going to the pump. So, and on the top side, the red is gray with a black stripe on the old pump. So I found out, no, that's ground. Gray with black stripe is hot for the pump. And the sender has a yellow wire going to it that circles around and comes to the sender, just like the white wire on the new pump. White, which is on the plug, gray. Well, on the old one, the fourth wire is dead. There's nothing there, as you can see. Nothing connected. It is gray with a red stripe, but there's nothing there. Nothing connecting the two together or anything. It's just, it's dead. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hook my old plug. Instead of cutting the plug on the van, I'm going to wire this into the new harness. And so I could have my factory plug still on the van. Just in case something happens, I have to buy a pump on the road somewhere and it has a factory plug. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wire this plug, factory plug, into the new pump plug. I know a lot of people's gonna say, well, that's too much connections. Well, you use heat shrink and connectors and loop it with heat shrink tube and you fix it right. That's what you're supposed to do. But that's what I'm doing. I just want to let everybody know, because I didn't see anything on YouTube about this. So that's what I'm doing. All right, folks, I got it wired up like I was wanting, and I'll put some electrical tape around each one tomorrow and get some loom just like this and put on it. Try to dress it up a little bit. But that's what I was talking about, keeping my factory plug and just wiring it up like this, just in case I'm out on the road camping or something and that fuel pump goes out and the next one has the factory plug, so I know. And also I made me a diagram to keep in the van, and having a van like that would 2006 front end, 2008 rear end, which that should be the same thing. I like to keep a notebook in the glove box or close by to everything I need in case I need a part, pick up some at the parts store, and you know, I know how to look it up. But that's it. Just got some stuff to do this week, changing the pumps over, and hopefully put that transmission in it one night this week. But that's it. Just want to show you about the fuel pump and the problem I run into and how I fixed it. So, all right, guys, I'll see y'all on the next one.